Good morning, you guys. It is 5:30 a.m. and I think it is October the 4th. Yeah, it's October the 4th. Um, I don't know about you guys, but I am so glad that this Mercury and retrograde is almost over. I have been in such a funk for like over a week or so. And I'm tired. Like, I want to get back to the whole happy-go-lucky. So, anyway, if you guys are new here, my name is Tonya, and I'm whispering because it's early and everybody is not up. So I just want to come on here and do a quick wig review for you guys. So take your time to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I don't have a set posting schedule as of yet, but I do post. So go ahead and take a moment and like the channel, because I'm gonna come to you anytime I got anything new. I gotta give y'all the tea. We will be sharing it. Anyway, so today I am going to throw on this new wig, and you know I got it off of Amazon. It is, hold on, it is a 30-inch wig. I have never worn a wig this long, and with me going through the change, I don't know how long it's gonna stay on because I sweat a lot now, so it is what it is. So I've already put on like a little stocking cap. Tomorrow, I'm going to the Mary J. Blige concert with my sister, and we are going to go to dinner first and all that kind of stuff. So it's her birthday on the 6th. Libra season, go Libras. And I bought us some tickets to go to Mary J's concert. So that's what we'll be doing. So I'm throwing this wig on just in prep because tomorrow I got to get my nails done. I ain't got time to be full with my hair, putting it on, then trying to curl it. Plus I need to see the quality if I need to change it up. I'm going to put the information to this wig down in the section below so you'll know exactly who it's from and whether or not you want to buy it. So I didn't get it. It doesn't come with any extra goodies, but it looks like it's wavy. See, it's pretty long. And I'm short, so I know it's gonna look crazy long on me. Initially, just the initial weight, it's light. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at, let's see. See the construction of this wig cap, honey. Ugh. Oh, wait a minute. So it's looking real good as far as being plucked. Let's see. I don't know if you can see that or not. But look at the hairline on that. You can see right through it. So it looks like it's plucked really good. Then it is a true 13x4 cap. So you can see that all in there. So you got all that. And it goes pretty far back. So you should be able to have a decent part. So this is all the lace right here. Has 2 combs inside of it. And that's that. So let me get, I do have a comb. So let's see if I can comb. It's combing through pretty easily. It looks like it got some baby hairs or something on there. I'm not gonna, just so you know, today, I'm not gonna do a whole lot as far as fixing this sucker up. But this vlog will be continued. You'll see after I get dressed tomorrow how it comes out. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and stick this sucker on. Why you playing all about?
She just wants to close her eyes and sway. Exercise your right to work it out. Shout out to the birthday girl, say hey, say hey. Everyone deserves a night to play, and she plays only when you tell her no. If these walls could talk, I can feel your rain when it cries. God lives inside of you. pause for talk, they tell me to swim good. No boat, I flow better than he would, but your flow can be misunderstood. Oh, one's telling me that full of pain, resentment, need someone to live in them just to relieve tension. Shout out to the birthday girl, say hey. Everyone deserves a night to play.
All right, so this is the finished look of this hair. I am on my way to the Mary J. Blige concert. I just used some really huge flexi rods. I want to say these are 4.5 inch and also some 4-inch flexi rods. If I would have had a little bit more time, this would have been beautiful. They've only been in for about 2 hours or so. And as you can see, it's very sleek and lovely. Let's see. Let's turn her here so you can see. I don't know if you could. I'm horrible with this camera. But as you can see, it came out really nice. I will say that the hair sheds a lot. Too much for my liking. I don't like how much hair that I was able to pull out of it. I don't know if it's because I'm not used to this length of hair or not. And just so you give you an idea where it goes, this is 30 inches and I am 5'6", and it's about waist length for me. It's soft, but it tangles. Thin, I don't know about the density. It's supposed to be 150%, but I've had some wigs that were a little bit thicker than this, so I don't know. But I would say out of 10, I'm gonna give this wig about a 7. Okay, I will, like I said, put the cost of the wig in the link down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right, on to another one. All right, so talk to you guys later.